this is the Razer Blackwidow times Chroma gunmetal mechanical gaming keyboard. So the Chroma stands for RGB. It's just another fancy marketing word to put on it. So this is one of the high-end Razer mechanical keyboard for gaming. So without further ado, let's unbox it first and see what's inside the box. So the box or the packaging is not bad, you know, put some texture on it and it's nicely done. All black and silver grey kind of finish. I like it, and it uses the Razer green switches. Later I will show you how it looks like, and yeah. And the back. So at the back, some of the features. Engineer for durability. Yeah, so here got two tabs below. So I'm gonna use my cutter and unbox it. So actually this is not mine. My cousin lent me this keyboard for review and unboxing purposes. Yeah, he's a very kind of him. Whoa, you can see there's a plastic cover like protect the keyboard, and there's some document paper here. This is the thank you, appreciation letter kind of thing. You can pause it if you want to read it. Okay, and you can see this is the instruction guide. So instruction guide, how to install, register, all those stuff, and yeah, in multiple languages. Last but not least, the Razer stickers in RGB kind of lighting effect. Yeah, you can see where to it. Wow, very cool, very cool. Okay, put it aside, and we're gonna take out this keyboard. Okay, take it out from here, and you will see the cable. Very nice cable. And USB, normal USB cable in green color. Not bad, not bad. Okay, so now I think able to take it out. There's a lot of things to take out first.
2,000 years later.
So here you go. The keyboard itself. Take away this protector first. Whoa! Look at this, man. It's quite heavy because the material they use metal, aluminium to make it. So it's very heavy and it's very sturdy. You know, give you the premium look and the premium texture.
The keyboard comes with these little holes for you to manage your cables, so that you can have your cables going out the back. You have it come out the side, you have it come out the back, you can have it come out the other side. It's up to you, man.
This keyboard has 2 kickstands and 5 rubber feet. The kickstand is for you to adjust the keyboard position, tilt it up to certain degrees that you feel comfortable to type on it. And the rubber feet is to prevent the keyboard sliding around, moving around, to keep the keyboard stable. So now comes to everyone's favorite part, the sound test. So this is the Razer Snap apps for you to customize your gaming keyboard or your mouse, register your warranty, everything. You can even customize the standard RGB lighting mode. For example, the Reaper, you can change the patterns, the stop, speed. Yeah, you can change a lot of things, very versatile. You can change the colors of each individual keys. You also can stack multiple different effect layers on top of each layers. So here's the breathing effect. Gently pulses in a color of your choices every 7 seconds. So this is the reactive mode. It lights up upon actuation and stay lit in either short, medium or long mode before fading. Spectral cycling go through the entire color spectrum gradually. So this is the Starlike Mode. It illuminates your keyboard with twinkling lights in a single color or random colors, mimicking the stars in the night sky. Yeah. So this is the static. It's pretty obvious. Just show up the lights. without any movement. You just stay there. You can change the colors as you wish. And this is the wave mode, one of my favorites. It animates all color in a continuous wave of rainbow lights. Yeah, it's very energetic and vibrant display. Nice. So last but not least, this is the ripple effect. It radiates your selected color outward from the center of your keyboard like a ripple of water upon actuations. These particular green switches are made a lifespan of 80 million keystrokes. Now that's a lot, man. That means you have to press up to 80 million times in order to break it. So these green switches, they do have 50 grams of actuation point, which means it requires 50 grams of force in order to press the keycaps. So in conclusion, the Razer Blackwidow X Chroma is a good mechanical keyboard. It's a really high-end keyboard, and it comes with a solid structure, the bright RGB lighting, and the keystroke is so durable that can hit up to 80 million times. The price is 480 ringgit up to 565 ringgit, depends on where you buy it. I recommend you guys to buy online. It tends to be cheaper a bit. Yeah, overall, I would recommend you guys to buy this mechanical keyboard if you guys really serious about gaming. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, hit the bell icon, share to your friends and family. Comment down in the comment section below what do you think about this keyboard, and also buy my merch, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.